this living area is actually much more spacious. If you can add up your parallel fitting platforms. This is the most spacious room of the house. Comes up again with why choose between connectivity and lifestyle when you can get both. This is Prestige Pallavaram Garden by Prestige Group. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the model flight tour of Prestige Pallavaram Garden by Prestige Group located in Pallavaram, Chennai. So right now we are here on the actual land parcel of the project, so let me show you the surrounding. Here's the marketing office of our Prestige Pallavaram Garden. The main entrance is right over here, so once you enter, the land parcel starts from here itself. Now before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. And one thing to inform over here, by the end of this video, you'll be knowing every single detail of this project which will help you in your decision making. So stay tuned until the end. Now let's start with the project overview via this miniature. Prestige Pallavaram Garden is spread across 21.84 acres of massive land, consisting of 25 towers, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 14 floors. Here you can choose between 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium home with maximum of open space and greenery. Coming to the amenities part, and this project offers you world-class luxurious amenities like you get a grand clubhouse with infinity pool on the rooftop, all the indoor amenities, mini theatre, yoga deck, gymnasium, swimming pool, multi-purpose court, amphitheatre and many more luxurious amenities. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located bang on Pallavaram Thuraipakkam Road in Pallavaram, Chennai. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and I'm standing on the main entrance. So this will be the main entrance of our project, and the Pallavaram Thuraipakkam Road is just in front of me, where this road will take you towards Pallavaram Bridge, and the opposite side road will take you towards Velichery main road. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity part. So Wells Institute of Science and Technology is 1.1 kilometers away, Ryzen Christ Church is 1.7 kilometers and Sri Chaitanya Techno School is 2.8 kilometers from our project. If you're planning to buy a home in Chennai, then here's a strong recommendation from my end, because Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyer. Many home buyers don't exactly know what their rights are. For example, if you buy a home by paying a token amount and later on decide to cancel your booking, how much amount a builder can legally deduct. And even after possession, if there is any leakage related issue or any construction related issue in your home, is buyer liable for it or not? All this is explained in a very easy manner in this series. So before you buy a home, there is a strong recommendation from my end to once watch this series. The link of the series you will find out in the description link below or else even in the I button. So now we are here to check out your 3 BHK large model flat of 1743 square feet super built up area. So basically your main entrance is just on my right hand side over here. So let's explore. But before entering, let me show you that for your security purpose, here we have the digital door lock and even the video door phone. So this is the video door phone and we have a digital door lock on the door ring. And even for your privacy, here's the massive foyer area and where you can add up your shoe rack space as well. And now this foyer area will lead you towards your living and dining space. So first let's focus upon the living area, which comes up with petrified flooring, and this living area is actually much more spacious. If you divide your living and dining space, this is almost a square size living area where you can do your own interior with the sofa set, your couch, your teapot, and over this side you can add up your own decor space as well. Now coming towards your dining space, so we have your dining area right over here where easily you can set up your 6-seater of dining table and even a cutlery space over here. This dining area has a connecting balcony as well. So here is the connecting balcony. 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 So here is the conn So once we step inside the balcony, this is not just a balcony but a running balcony. Comes up with anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing, and this balcony connects you to one of the bedrooms. You can add up your breakfast table if you like, or a chair and a table, and enjoy your book reading. Now once you step inside over here, with the easy access to your dining area, we have the kitchen space right over this side. So walking towards your kitchen space, your kitchen area comes over here. And the kitchen comes up with matte finishing vitrified flooring, perfect as an anti-skid. And the layout is in such a way where you can add up your parallel fitting platforms, and after that also you have ample of space in the center where easily 4 people can work easily. With the perfect reference for your interior, you can have a look. They have done the reference very perfectly with the platform, the cabinets, all the white goods, and here we have a window which opens up towards your utility space. So this is the utility space, comes up with anti-skid flooring, provision for the machine, and even with half-wall structure. Now once you step outside, let's explore your bedroom space. So your bedroom number 1 is on the one side, another 2 bedroom on the other side, giving you a perfect butterfly concept, and this is the entrance for your bedroom number 1. So you can call this bedroom as a guest bedroom, and once you enter, it comes up with the vitrified flooring and the spacious room over here where easily you can fit in your queen size, your king size bed as well, with the side table as well. Now we have a window which is half movable and half fixed. This window opens up towards your balcony, and this is the same balcony that we have checked earlier, the running balcony with anti-skid flooring. And you can have a look, you can enjoy a perfect view of nature and the city from here. Now once you step inside, let's focus upon this TV unit space where you can add up your TV unit or else your work table as well. And over this side we have your wardrobe. A huge wardrobe space is offered by the builder. And now this side is your private washroom. Yes, your guest bedroom comes up with a private washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting, where the shower area is divided via tile drop and even a sink space. Now we are back towards your living and dining space and will be walking towards your another bedroom. But before that, on the way, here is the sink space again in the center of your dining space and kitchen area, and the common washroom. Common washroom comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So this washroom is also in the center of the house. Now your bedroom number 2 is just on my left hand side. So once you step inside this bedroom, again you can have a look. This bedroom comes up with vitrified flooring, and this bedroom can be called as a kid's bedroom with a bed space in the center. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose that keeps your room ventilated. Your work table, that is your study table, can be fit right over here. They have even offered the TV unit space, and the wardrobe space is this side. Now your master bedroom is just beside your kids' bedroom. But before that, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So basically, Housey is here with actual location tour, with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. So all these wonderful features are only under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now about the master bedroom. So let's quickly move inside your master bedroom. And this is the most spacious room of the house. Comes up again vitrified flooring, and here's the bed space again where you can add up your queen or king size bed, and in spite that also we have a space to add up your side table. So here we have the ample of space to move around inside the room itself. Coming to the wardrobe space, we have a wardrobe, the large wardrobe space right on my right hand side, and here's the TV unit space as well. Coming towards the private washroom, yes, we have a private washroom in your master bedroom with anti-skid flooring, CP sanitary fitting, and even the sink space inside your washroom itself. Now calling up towards the window. So your window comes up right over here, and this is not just a window but a corner window. You can add up a work table, which will be my favorite thing to add up, and work with the nature, enjoying the nature and even the city view, or else even you can add up a bay window if you like over here. And the 3 BHK model flat at this project, how was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.